welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the homecoming from the 27th to the 29th of October 2025 on Monday. Sifiso captures Okambeni's most wanted criminal, but at what cost? Shobane slips back to Joburg and into another woman's bed, but Zethu is not far behind. Vusi's hunger to prove himself spirally dangerous on Tuesday. Zethu is determined to win Shobane back, but find that the ship has sailed. Meanwhile, Vusi does all he can to hide the fact that Bonga's shooting was his fault. Mangcobo confronted her life choices on Wednesday. Zethu uncovers the truth and it hit with betrayal. Vusi tries to cover up the shooting while the Hlongwane family is thrown into crisis when Zenzo's health takes a turn for the worse. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.